In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header from Google Forms. If you've ever opened a Google form and seen a large banner image across the top, that's the header. It can be great for branding, but sometimes you want a clean, minimal look or need more space above your questions. Removing it is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open your form in edit mode. At the top right of the screen, look for the Customize Theme icon. It looks like a small paint palette. Click that, and a panel will slide out on the right side of your screen. This is where Google Forms controls your visual settings, including fonts, colors, and that header banner. In the side panel, find the header section. If your form currently has a banner, you'll see a preview of the image there. Click the Remove option to delete the header image. Depending on your interface, this may appear as a Remove button or a trash can icon. Confirm the removal if you're prompted. As soon as you do, the banner at the top of your form disappears. When the header image is gone, Google Forms will default to a simple color theme. If the color that appears feels too bold or too light, you can adjust it in the same theme panel under Theme Color. This isn't required, but it's a helpful touch to keep your form readable and on brand without a banner. A quick tip: removing the header image does not delete your form title or description. Those will still appear at the top, just without the large graphic behind them. If you change your mind later, you can return to the header section and upload a new image at any time. It's a good idea to preview your form to see how it looks to respondents. Use the preview option at the top to open it in a new tab and confirm the header is gone and the spacing feels right. If you're sharing the form widely, refresh the preview once to make sure any cached images are cleared. If you don't see the Customize Theme icon, double-check that you're in editing mode and that you have permission to modify the form's appearance. On smaller screens, the icon might be tucked into an overflow menu. That's all there is to it. Click the Customize Theme icon, remove the header image, and you've got a clean, distraction-free Google form. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.